Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the topic profit, loss and discount. Coming to the introduction, the cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Already you know these terms, you have learnt in the lower classes. What is cost price? The amount paid to purchase an article or the price at which an article is made is known as the cost price, that is CP. Means the amount it is paid to purchase an article. A retailer, he will go to the wholesale market, from there he will buy the article. The amount what he gives to the wholesaler, that is called as the cost price. Or any article which is made, the cost at which it is made, that is also called as the cost price. Is it clear? Now coming to the selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. So the retailer, he sells the article, the amount at which he sells, that is called as the selling price. So if the selling price is more than the cost price, then it is the profit. So what is profit? If the selling price is greater than the cost price, the difference between the selling price and the cost price is called the profit. So when SP is greater than CP, then profit is equal to SP minus CP. Is it clear? तो cost price का मतलब एक retailer वो wholesale market से जितना पैसा देकर वो कोई भी article को खरीदता है, that is the cost price. और अपने दुकान में वो जितना amount में वो article को बेचता है, that is the selling price. और जब सेलिंग प्राइस बड़ा रहता है कॉस्ट प्राइस से, तभी वो प्रॉफिट कमाएगा. तो SP इज ग्रेटर देन CP, प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू SP माइनस CP. नाउ कमिंग टू द प्रॉफिट परसेंट. प्रॉफिट परसेंट इज द प्रॉफिट दैट वुड बी ऑब्टेन्ड फॉर द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ₹100. सो फॉर एवरी 100 rupees of cost price, how much profit he will and how much he will make for the given cost price. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now coming to the loss. So if the selling price of an article is less than the cost price, then the difference between the cost price and the selling price is called as the loss. That means when CP is greater than SP, कॉस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस पे बड़ा रहता है, तब भी लॉस. सो फॉर्मूला फॉर लॉस इज CP माइनस SP. जस्ट लाइक द प्रॉफिट परसेंट, लॉस परसेंट इज द लॉस दैट वुड बी मेड फॉर एवरी कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 100 rupees. सो लॉस परसेंट इज इक्वल टू लॉस अपॉन CP into 100. That means profit percent and loss percent both are calculated on CP. याद रखो, profit percent and loss percent is calculated on CP. Now coming to the other formulas, it is already you know profit is equal to profit percent into CP upon 100. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. But profit is equal to profit percent into CP upon 100. And loss is equal to loss percent into CP upon 100. Now to find out SP and CP when profit percent and loss percent are given. How to find? SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. When loss percent is given, SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Is it clear? When profit percent is there, you add. When loss percent is there, you subtract from 100. Now, CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, and CP, when loss percent is given, CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. तो ये कैसे याद रखने का है? SP फाइंड आउट करने के वक्त जो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन है वो न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. जब भी CP को फाइंड आउट करते हैं तभी एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. और प्रॉफिट परसेंट रहता है तो हमेशा 100 को ऐड करते हैं. लॉस परसेंट रहता है तो 100 से माइनस करते हैं. तो ऐसे याद रखो. ठीक है? These formulas are very important. Now coming to the example 1. A mobile phone is sold at rupees 3,120 at a loss of 4%. मतलब एक मोबाइल फोन को 3,120 रुपीस में जब सेल करते हैं तो उसको 4% लॉस हो गया. What will be the gain or loss percent if it is sold for 3,640? अगर वही मोबाइल फोन को वो दुकानदार 3,640 में बेच देगा तो उसको लॉस परसेंट होगा या प्रॉफिट परसेंट? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. लॉस या गेन दैट इज प्रॉफिट परसेंट के लिए हमें पहले प्रॉफिट या लॉस देखने का, लेकिन सेलिंग प्राइस दिया है तो प्रॉफिट या लॉस देखने के लिए हमें सीपी चाहिए. सीपी ऑफ द मोबाइल फोन इट वोंट चेंज, इट इज अ फिक्स्ड. So first, taking the selling price as 3,120 and loss percent 4%, you calculate CP and then find out whether it is profit or loss. Is it okay? So first, the sold means SP. SP of a mobile phone is equal to rupees 3,120. अभी लॉस परसेंट है 4%. अभी बोले हैं अगर SP रुपीज 3,640 रहेगा तो प्रॉफिट या लॉस. तो पहले CP फाइंड आउट करो. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ CP? CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, because it is loss percent, isn't it? Minus. So SP, how much is given? 3,120 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent is 4. So 3,120 into 100 upon 96. अभी 4 का टेबल में जा सकता है. 4 2s are 8, 1 remains. 4 4s are 16. Here 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31. 3 remains. 3 and 2 32. 4 8s are 32 and this 0. Now again 4 6s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. 3 remains. 3 and 8 38. 4 9s are 36. 37, 38, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. Now it is a 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, zeros are. Now 3 1s are 3, 6 are 18, 1 remain, 6 5s are 50, 3 5s are 15. Now multiply 0 as it is, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 31, 32. So you got the CP as 3250. Now take this CP to the other side and SP is given 3640. Now CP is equal to 3250. Now which is greater? SP is greater. SP is greater than CP, isn't it? So then it is a profit is equal to SP minus CP. Find out. Rupees 3640 minus 3250. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 4 means 14 minus 5 is 9. Now here it is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So you got profit is equal to rupees 390. Find out profit percent. They have asked gain or loss percent. Profit percent formula is profit upon CP into 100. Profit is 390. CP is 3250 into 100. Now 10 cut. Now it is a 5 6 are 30, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 4 remains, 40, 5 8s are 40. Now if you see, it is a 2 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. Now 13 1s are 13, 6 are 78, 6 2s are, it is 12%. So profit percent is 12%. So answer, profit percent is 12%. Hope you understood this sum. Okay. Now coming to the example 2. By selling 42 oranges, a person loses a sum equal to the selling price of 8 oranges and find the loss percent. Now they have told, by selling 42 oranges, a person loses sum equal to selling price of 8 oranges. They have not mentioned about the selling price at all, isn't it? So let the SP of 1 orange is equal to rupees 1. We have to assume, whenever the amount is not given, you assume it to be rupees 1. SP of 1 orange is equal to rupees 1. Therefore, SP of how many oranges are there? 42 oranges is equal to 1 rupee के हिसाब से 42 ऑरेंज का आएगा रुपीज 42. Now they have told he loses a sum equal to the selling price of 8 oranges. Means loss is equal to SP of selling price of 8 oranges. अभी 1 ऑरेंज का SP कितना है 1. सो 8 ऑरेंज का SP कितना होगा 1 into 8, that is ₹8. So you got SP is equal to ₹42 and loss is equal to ₹8. Now to find the loss percent, we want to find out CP. Already we have discussed profit percent, loss percent is calculated on CP. So find out the CP. When loss is there, CP is bigger, isn't it? So that means CP is equal to formula SP plus loss. Yes or no? CP is equal to SP plus loss. SP is how much? ₹42 and loss is 8. So CP will be ₹50. So now you got the CP. Now SP is 42, loss is 8, CP is 50. Now find out the loss percent. Formula is loss upon CP into 100. That means loss is 8, CP is 50 into 100. 51s are 52s are 8 2s are 16. So you got the loss percent. How much? Answer. The loss percent is 16%. Is it okay? Now coming to the example 3. Naveen bought some cricket balls at ₹250 for 4 balls and sold them at ₹340 for 5 balls. Find his gain or loss percent. See, the number of balls is not equal. It is a CP. Bought means CP. CP of 4 balls is 250. Sold means SP of 5 balls is 340. Whenever they give like that, the different number, number of articles is different. First find out CP and SP of one article. Okay? याद रखो, इधर CP of 4 balls दिया है, लेकिन SP of 5 balls दिया है, तो तब भी CP and SP of 1 ball का find out करो, फिर उसको compare करो, फिर देखो whether it is a profit or loss. So first CP of 4 balls is equal to ₹250. Therefore, CP of 1 ball is equal to ₹250 upon 4. That is 4 6s are 24, 1 remains, 4 2s are 8, decimal 2 remains, isn't it? 4 2s are 8, 10 में 2 remains, so extra take 0. It is 4 5s are 20. Whenever it is a rupees paise, you have to put 0. So it is 62 rupees 50 paise. Now SP of How many balls is given? 5 balls is given. It is rupees 340. Find out SP of 1 ball is equal to rupees 340 upon 5. It is rupees 5. How much? 34. 5 6 30. 4 remains 40. 5 8 40. So you got SP to be 68. So you got the CP and SP of 1 ball. So CP is equal to rupees 62.50. SP is equal to rupees 68. Which is greater? SP is greater than CP. Yes or no? 68 is greater than 62. So therefore it is profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is SP is 68 minus 62.50. Find out. It is rupees 68 means 0.00. Here 0.50 is there. So 0.00 means 100. Isn't it? When you borrow, it will be 100 minus 50, 50. Now here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. So you got profit. Now find out profit percent. Profit upon CP into 100. Profit how much? 5.50. CP is 62.50 into 100. Now numerator, denominator, 2 decimals, cancel it into, it is into 100 करेंगे तो 550 upon 6250 into 100. Both the decimals get cancelled, isn't it? 0 0 cut. It is 5 125 625, isn't it? Already you know. 5 11 now 25 4 25 5 it is 11 4 44 upon 5. So 5 how much 44? 5 8 40. 4 remains by 5. So 8 4 by 5%. So answer Naveen makes a profit percent of 8 4 by 5%. Hope everyone understood the examples 1 2 3. Bye. Thank you.